Good morning, children. In earlier session, we have solved question number 1 and question number 2. Now, I am solving the question number 3. In question 2, if one part of red pigment requires 75 ml of the base, how much red pigment should be? We mix with 1800 ml of base. Okay, this totally depends on the question number 2. 3. How to take this? First one, parts of our red pigment, and compare with parts of base. Understanding? We are comparing pigment versus base. Okay. First one, 1 ml of red pigment is equal to 75 ml of base. 1 ml of red pigment is equal to 75 ml of base. Here he has taken 1800 ml of base. So how much we have to add the red pigment? Okay, this is one of the simplest method to find out the value of X, otherwise unknown value. So in earlier questions we were having the tabular column, that's why I did not use this type of method. But here we are having separate questions, that's why we can apply this method, no problem. Here, do the cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication because of direct proportion is there. Okay. 1 into 1800 ml is equal to 75x. Correct? Next term. 1800 divided by 75 is equal to x. Later on divide them. 5 ones are remaining 2. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. Remaining 3. 5 6 are 30. Okay, children. Next term. How will divide this? 15 ones are 15. 15 2s are 30. Correct? Remaining is what? 6. It will become 60. 15 4s are 60. X value is 24 ml of what pigment? Red pigment. Understanding? For 1800 ml, we have to add 24 ml of red pigment. Clear, children? Okay, write down the answer. Okay, shall we go for question number 4? Question number 4. A machine in a soft drinks factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. 840 bottles in 6 hours. How many bottles will it fill in 5 hours? Okay, machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. In 6 hours it will fill 840 bottles. How many bottles will fill in 5 hours? Let us find out the answer. Before that, we have to take the given things. Question number 4. We have to make 2 parts. Number of bottles and hours. Okay. One side we will take the bottle and one side we will take the hours. So first thing is what? 840 bottles in 6 hours. 840 bottles in how many hours? 6 hours. Here he has given the 5 hours. You should find out the number borders. This is called direct proportion. This is the direct proportion. Now do the cross multiplication. X will multiply with 6. Here 40 multiply with 5. Okay. 840 into 5 is equal to 6 into x. 840 into 5 divided by 6 is equal to x. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. Remaining 2. 6 fours are 24. Correct? 6 ones are 6. Remaining 2 it will become 24. 6 fours are 24. Remaining is what? 0. Understanding? Next one. 140 into 5 is equal to x. X is equal to. So 5 zeros are 0. 5 fours are 20. Remaining 2. 5 are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. How many borders will fill? 700 borders. More time, more borders. Less time, the number of borders also less. Clear, children? Let us answer. Okay, shall we go for question number 5? Question number 4. 4 is completed. Now we will go to the question number 5. A photograph of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 cm. In 5 cm, you will take 50,000 times. Some as shown in the diagram. As shown in the diagram, what is the actual length of the bacteria if what is the actual length of the bacteria if photograph is enlarged 20,000 times only? What would be its enlarged length? Okay, once again I'll read. A photograph of a bacteria enlarged. How many times enlarged? Length and enlarged length. First we'll take the enlarged length. Enlarged length. And here we will take the length of the bacteria. So first he enlarged. How many times? 50,000 times. We got the picture in the length of 5 cm. Understanding? In microscope, sorry, in photograph, he enlarged. How many times? 50,000 times he enlarged. The picture we got in 5 cm. And second one, he enlarged 20,000 times. 20,000 times. What is the length of the picture? 50,000, 5, 20,000, question mark. Okay? So the enlargement is more, the length of the diagram is also more. The enlargement is less, what we get? The length of the diagram also will get less. Okay, first one, do the cross multiplication. 50,000 into x is equal to 5 into 20,000. X is equal to 5 into 20,000 divided by 50,000. Correct? 4 zeros get cancelled. 5 and 5 get cancelled. X is equal to 2 cm. Understanding? If you enlarge the photograph of 20,000, we'll get the picture only in 2 cm. The enlargement is more, the length of the picture is also more. The enlargement is less, the length of the picture is also less. That is the answer. Okay, shall we go for the question number 6? Question number 6 is, in a model of a ship. So beside the question he has mentioned the diagram. In a model of a ship, the mast is 9 cm high, while the mast of the actual ship is 12 meter high. If the length of the ship is 28 meter, how long is the model ship? Okay, two things are there, mast and model of the ship. First one, length of the actual ship, length of the model ship. Two things will come. Question number 6. Length of the actual ship, and one more thing is length of the model ship. Length of the model ship. First one, the model ship, the mast is how much? 9 cm and actual ship is 12 cm. First one we will take the 12. 12 is there. The model ship is how much? 9. Understanding? Length of the actual ship, the length of the mast in the actual ship is 12 meter high. Length of the model mast length of the model ship is how much? 9. So this is more and this is less. Second, so the length, if the length of the ship is 28, how much model ship? So actual length is 28 is there. What is the mast of the model ship? Two masts are there. He is comparing between two ships. One normal and one is model ship. Understanding? Okay. So do the cross multiplication. First one, 12 into x is equal to 9 into 28. X is equal to 9 into 28 divided by 12. 3 3s are 3 4s are 12. Correct, children? Next. 28 is there, no? 4 1s are 4 7s are 28. X is equal to 3 into 7. X is equal to 21 meter high. So this is 28 is there. The mass of the ship, model ship is 28. For example, the mast is nothing but this one. Clear that? So the length of the actual ship is 12 meter high is there. This one 9 meter high. And it has been 28 meter high. So we will get the model ship less than the actual ship. Actual ship having 28. So the length of the mast of the model ship is how much? 21 meter high. Okay, children, that is the answer.